गोंय विधानसभेच्या विद्यार्थी संसद सर्तीचे उक्तावण सोमारा गोंय विधानसभा आवारांत जालें. विद्यार्थी संसद सर्तीचे उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक माचेर सभापती राजेश पाटणेकार, विधिमंडळ सचिव नम्रता उलमान, मोहन आमशेकार, आदलो खासदार जॉन फर्नांडीस, उपाध्यक्ष विक्टर गोन्साल्वीस, सदानंद मळीक हजर आसले. 9 दीस चलपी ह्या विद्यार्थी संसदेच्या सर्तीक गोंयांतल्यान सुमार 22 महाविद्यालयां वांटेकार जावन संसद कशी चलची हाचेर प्रात्यक्षीक करतले. भारत देश लोकशाय प्रधान देश आशिल्ल्यान सबंद जग भारता कडेन पळयतना आदारान पळयता. देश स्वतंत्र जाला तेन्नाच्यान देशान लोकशाय आपणायल्या अशें सभापती पाटणेकारान विद्यार्थी संसद सर्तीच्या उक्तावणा वेळार उलयलो. तशेंच संसदीचें म्हत्व सर्तीन वांटो घेतिल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक सांगलें.
Students who are very clear to me because they are the torchbearers of the democratic India, and there is a strong need for them to get involved with active politics. Therefore, in an endeavor to play an active role in addressing our need of democratic transformation of society and giving students a glimpse of our parliamentary procedure, Students' Parliament is organized every year by our Goa Legislative Assembly. Some of the various objectives of organizing Students' Parliament is creating a wide knowledge on basic concepts of democracy and their practice, providing practical opportunities to reach common objectives of national education on parliamentary practices and procedures and common skills, involving the students directly to the task of nation building and development, developing leadership skills and promoting effective and active skills to be developed theoretically and practically to the subject of Students' Parliament. Our students may aspire to be legislators in future. Legislators have 4 aspects of representations to be kept in mind. Firstly, they represent the constituencies which affects them. Secondly, they represent the political parties whose symbols and manifesto they contest the election. Thirdly, they represent the nation in a very broad sense. And finally, they represent and project themselves as progressive individuals. Therefore, the legislators' concern must reflect these 4 aspects to become eminent parliamentarians. Eminence is achieved through endeavor and industry through commitment and integrity. Therefore, by organizing such competitions, we are in fact preparing students to be good legislators in future, see the legislators play a vital role and act as a key link between the people and the government. Everybody knows this is August House, which makes the laws, which passes the budget. They're passing the appropriation bills. Any member, any legislator can raise an important issue, or he can bring an important issue to the notice of the government, which can be solved in the August House.
Speaker Madam, आमगे सरकारा काय पडन गेलना. आमगे लोकांक उदकान ताणेन मोचोले. तेंका नॉर्थ गोवा, साउथ गोवा लोक उदका लागून मारामारी जातली. बार्जन वॉटरफॉलांक उदक उणें जालां. पयलीं थिंगा 12 स्ट्रिमा व्हांवताल्यो, आतां फकत 7 स्ट्रिम्यो व्हांवतात. महाराष्ट्रा सारखे आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांकूय गोळ घेवन करपाक पडटलें. 7.5 मेट्रिक टन उदक जर मलप्रभात रिव्हरीन डायवर्ट जालें जाल्यार आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक कितें मेळटलें? Question is, why there was a delay in filing objection to permission granted by MOEF to Karnataka? Why you played politics of water? State government should explain this.
मादय तुमचीच आवय न्हू, तुमचीच आमचीच सगळ्याचीच आवय ती, आणि आम्ही कॉम्प्रोमाइज जावचे ना. Speaker Madam, the opposition is just wasting the time of the House. I request you, Madam, to kindly proceed with the further questions of this House. Thank you, ma'am.
The House will proceed to start LQ2 by Honorable MLA Mr. Chauvin and Minister of Tourism Ms. Aloysia Fernandez.
3 जाणांचे जीव गेले ओव्हरडोज ऑफ ड्रग्सा लागून. आज म्हाका हे जाणो जाय ते ड्रग्स येयले हुंयसर आनी ते 3 जाण कशे मेले.
Also Minister of Tourism.
Speaker Madam, वो गेलो पोस्टमॉर्टम करपाक. पोस्टमॉर्टमान अजूनच सांगूक ना ड्रग्स म्हूण. वो कसो सांगता? Speaker Madam, I would like to ask our opposition that with what proof is he putting this allegation on us, saying that the 3 people who died in sunburn was due to overdose of drugs.
मॅडम 3 जण तरणाटे त्या सनबर्नात मेला त्याचा खबर आहा आणि ते सांगता द शो मस्ट गो ऑन. इज दिस युअर ह्युमॅनिटी?
Honorable Minister, Ms. Aloysia.
Speaker Madam, we never forced anyone to participate in such events like this. It is their own will. Every youngster has the ability to control themselves no matter in what ways. And my heart really feels sorry for those 3 who died in sunburn. But just because of them, we can't stop the event. We have spent so much on it, more than 250 crores.
Honorable Opposition Leader.
Respected Speaker Madam, EDM festivals like this lead to irresponsible and bad behavior. There is moral breakdown between young generations and they are falling prey for various addictions, be it drugs or drinking.
आमच्या गोंयांत युपीसान एक फेक मिनिस्टर लोखंडे लोखंडे सारको आयलो आनी 12 दीस VIP सारको गोंयांत फिरलो. 12 दीस म्हळ्यार तिणे गव्हर्मेंटाक टोपी घातली आनी हेजो चीफ गेस्ट म्हण तो काणकोण फंक्शनाक गेलो आनी व्हडली व्हडली भाशणां दिवन आयलो. आनी इतलें सगळें जाता म्हळ्यार आमचें गव्हर्मेंट करतालें कितें? मॅडम हांव मान्य करता आमची चूक जाली. आमकां ताणें फटयलो. स्पीकर मॅडम जेन्ना तो गोंयांत येवचे पयलीं आमकां ताणें लेटर धाडिल्लें आनी तें लेटर UPचे हेड ऑफिसा सावन आशिल्लें. सो आमकां तें दिसलें की तो खरोच मिनिस्टर म्हणून. स्पीकर मॅडम जेन्ना तो गोंयांत येयलो तेन्ना आमी ताका मिनिस्टर म्हणून रावपाक हॉटेल, भोंवपाक गाडयो, पुलीस आनी सेक्युरिटी हेड सगळें दिलें. स्पीकर मॅडम जेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की तो फेक मिनिस्टर म्हणून गोंयांत भोंवता तेन्ना आमी पुलिसांक कळयलें आनी बंदखणींत घातलो.